Okay, a World Famous Foods garden update. Got our bell peppers. If you look in here, they're starting to turn red. Got our zucchini, our yellow zucchini down here. The seeds under there. These guys just growing onto everything. Our cucumber still going strong. Look at this. Clicking onto that. Got our lettuce. You have a sweet potato we put in here. Also got some kohlrabi we got there. Our strawberries, they already harvested. Got celery, tomatoes, and some more tomatoes right there. More kohlrabi, we still got our celery going, and we got our fennel. Look at that. World Famous Foods.